Hello all, I, Chef Reena Dongri from AISSMS College of HMCT, welcome you all once again to my channel Food Prod Notes. Today we are going to discuss about puff pastry. Puff pastry is a laminated pastry. It consists of laminated structure built up of alternate layers of dough and fat. This is achieved by rolling out the paste and giving it sufficient turns until there are hundreds to thousands of layers of dough and fat. When this pastry is baked, the expanding air and water vapor puff the separate layers apart from each other, resulting in a delightful, crisp, light, and flaky pastry. When the thinly sheeted piece of puff pastry is baked in the oven, the puff goes through the stages. First, the fat present in the layers melts and creates gaps between the sheets of dough. The dough sheets starts to harden and maintain their shape as the gluten present in them coagulates and holds the shape. As the heating continues, the liquid in the dough turns to steam, which pushes the sheets of the dough apart and pushes them upwards. The end result is the pastry, which is almost 10 times thicker than the original size that was put in the oven. Puff pastry in French is also known as mi-fi, and literally it translates to 1,000 layers. The number of layers in the pastry is not fixed, however. The layers could be between 700 and 1500 depending upon the rolling of the puff pastry. It is also known as leaf pastry. When it bakes, each layer of dough resembles a creased leaf, giving it a name. The ingredients which are used in the puff pastry are flour, fat, lemon juice, salt, and water. Bread flour is preferred for puff pastry as the gluten must be well formed and elastic so that it can hold the layers of fats when rolled. The fat should be elastic and should have a high melting point. Although lately in high-end hotels, butter is preferred as compared to margarine, but care has to be taken as butter has low melting point. Cold water should be used as warm water tends to make a warm pastry. Also, when warm water is used, the fat encased will melt, thereby making an oily puff pastry. Lemon juice is the most preferred acid for puff pastry. It is done for two purposes: to have a bleaching effect on the dough and to strengthen the gluten strands. And lastly, salt is the only flavor added to the puff pastry. It gives the color and taste to the end product. It also helps in keeping quality of the product as it prevents staling. The folds which can be given to make the puff pastry are single turn or two-third fold, double turn or book fold, and the method which involves combination of single turn and double turn are combination folds. As it is shown in the picture, in the single turn, the fat is applied on two portions of the dough and later on the dough is folded. This is the most commonly used method while using the English method of making the French puff pastry. Double turn, as is shown in the picture, the dough is folded like a book and that's why it is also called as a book fold. Combination of these two methods while making any kind of puff pastry would be called as combination methods. Now let's discuss about the types of puff pastry. Depending upon the amount of fat incorporated in the dough, the puff pastry can be of three types: full puff pastry, half puff pastry, or three-quarter puff pastry, which indicates the amount of fat which has been added. Full puff pastry denotes the equal quantity of fat and flour. Half puff pastry has 50% of fat added in the dough, whereas three-quarter puff pastry has 75% of the fat added in the dough. The methods which are used for making the puff pastry are English method, French method, Scotch method, and inverse puff pastry or inverted puff pastry. In the English method, the fat is divided into three parts, and using single turns, the fat is incorporated into the dough 3 times. While making the puff pastry using English method, the fat is incorporated always using the single turns. Afterwards, blind folds can be given to the dough where no fat is being incorporated. In the French method, the fat is incorporated only once in the beginning, and that is incorporated in the form of an envelope as shown in the picture. Once incorporation of fat is done, rest all the layers are blind folds where either a single turn or a book fold can be given to the dough. The Scotch method of making puff pastry, which is also known as rough puff pastry, involves cutting off the fat into chunks and incorporating it with the refined flour. So, as visible in the picture, the fat is very much visible in the dough, and later on either single turns or double turns or combination method can be used to give the folds. Inverted puff pastry is a special way of making puff pastry where butter is not encased in the dough, but on the contrary, dough is encased into butter block. Many chefs prefer that inverted puff pastry gives better results as the dough is surrounded with the fat. However, it might seem very difficult, but with little practice it can be achieved. Few general principles which has to be followed while making the pastry are: right quality of ingredient should be used. The dough should be rested after every fold, and this resting preferably should be done in the refrigerator. And lastly, while rolling, the length should be thrice the breadth and the thickness should be 7 mm. These are just few guidelines which needs to be followed. Some of the products which can be made using the puff pastry are shown. One thing is there, puff pastry is very versatile and products right from the starters till the desserts can be made using the puff pastry. Vol au vents or bouchées are served as starters where the pastry shells, empty pastry shells are made using the puff pastry, and filling of any choice can be added in that. Turnovers, for which common name could be veg patties or puffs. It is nothing but turnovers where the sweet filling like apple can be added, or vegetable filling or meat filling can be added. Cheese straws made with puff pastry can be served as an accompaniment with soup. Palmiers, those are the cookies which are made using the puff pastry. Those are coated with sugar, giving good caramelized color and taste to the cookies. Cream horns are made using the puff pastry where the empty shells are baked and later on the filling can be added, which can be either a pastry cream or buttercream or chocolate can be added. Beef Wellington is a very popular main course where the steak is encased in the puff pastry and served. It is served as a main course. Mefi literally means 1,000 layers, a very popular dessert where the layers of puff pastry are filled with variety of fillings. It can be cream, fruits, or up to the chef's choice. The photographs have been taken from the following websites. I would recommend to watch the above YouTube video for the understanding of the process of making puff pastry, where combination folds are being used, as well as French method of making a puff pastry is being showcased. Thank you for watching.